So today I'll be showing some of the different functions of Excel. Functions I'll be showing include average, sum, if function, and conditional formatting. So first off, we have sum. Sum is fairly easy to use. Say I wanted to know the total number of walks in a season. I would highlight what I want it to add. And you can find AutoSum up here or up here. Now, simply by clicking sum, it's right there. As you can see, it works fairly simple and is easy to use. Next up, we have average. Now, average is pretty much just like sum, where it will where you highlight this selection that you would like to choose, and it's the same location, average, and it will give you the average. Now, what's nice about Excel is that you can copy over the formula. Now, I'm not copying what's written in there, I'm actually copying the function, and it knows that I don't want it to always do the same column. It knows that I'm changing over. If you look up here, see, it's changing to the right category, to the right column. Now, next we have the if function. The if function is really neat. If you, it takes a little bit while to understand, but if you really get it, it can be really neat. So, let's say alright, I'm going to choose this one because it's right next to that. If this is greater than 0.25, I would like to display top hitter. If it's less than that, I'll display bottom hitter. That's okay, and as you can see, it is in fact the top hitter. Now again, we can copy the function and it will scroll down, and it works perfectly, giving me what each one is. And now something that kind of serves the same purpose but in a different way is conditional formatting. So here we have the amount of games, and the average is located right there. So let's say conditional formatting you can find up here. Click. There are several ways to do it, but I think the easiest way to understand is new rule, use formula to determine it. So we'll say that if that is greater than the average, if it's greater than the average, we want to display it in green. We'll keep it black text, but with a green background. Now, here's where something you have to remember. If you're going to use this over a wide spread of cells, you have to take out the dollar signs, or else you'll have the same thing. Now, you don't want to take it out in 22, because 22 you're going to want it to always go down, or else when it looks at this one, it'll look to see if it's bigger than this one down here. So you want to keep that dollar sign. So we click OK, and as you can see, that obviously isn't. But if we copy it down here, whoops, I forgot. Here's how you do this: is you want to copy, and now you have to go over here into paste. You have to click down in other paste. You'll see formatting. You only want to copy the formatting, and now all of those that are above the average will copy. And now you can also do it over here. Again, same thing, formatting. So now we have all the stats that are above. But now let's try and do it with all the stats that are under the average. So again, we're going to go up into conditional formatting, new rule, same thing. But this time we're going to do, whoops, can't do that. We're going to take out the D2 is less than the average. Take out the D again, or take out the diamonds, or the dollar sign again. We're going to display a red background. So now we do that, and as you can see, it's less than that. So again, we're going to click copy, and we will go again over to special paste, formatting. And there you have it. That's how you do conditional formatting. There are several ways, obviously, to use it, but this is one of the specific ways to do it. And these have been some of the functions of Excel.